Hello my friend, today we're pickling mushrooms. Let's go!
We will need 2 packages of mushrooms, 227 grams each. Wash mushrooms thoroughly and cut them into quarters. Next, cut 3 cloves of garlic. Pour water in a saucepan, add cloves, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1½ tablespoon of sugar, 50 milliliters of vegetable oil, 12 peppercorns, some bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, garlic, star anise, and dried chili peppers to taste. Bring this liquid to a boil, add mushrooms, and cook for 5 minutes. Now add 50 milliliters of vinegar and cook for another 5 minutes. Place mushrooms in a sterilized jar. And pour in hot pickling liquid. Look at these fantastic mushrooms. Cover with the sterilized lid and cool down to room temperature. You can pickle any vegetables using this method. For example, right now I'm pickling a mix of carrots, radishes, onions, and mushrooms. As soon as jars cool down to room temperature, place them in the fridge. Ready to eat in 24 hours. They keep in the fridge for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel. Bye!